Got a magnetic door frame of, what do you call it again?
It's a screen door.
This is a screen door, magnetic screen door. Keep bugs out. So you can open your back patio door, that you can keep this, so you keep bugs out. So it's a mesh, but it's flexible. So you can just walk through it, I guess, right? Let's see, take a look at it on the other side. You see how it goes up here? You just tap it in up here to your door frame. And it's a different type of door. This way you keep the bugs out, and but you can keep your door open. You can keep it open like this. Got some little it's got little straps on the side. You can just keep it open. You can walk in and out as you want. And if you want to just leave it open later on in the nighttime, if you got mosquitoes flying around. They got Velcro. So it's Velcro. It's got a Velcro base, and that's how it's stuck on here. And then the bottoms of here have magnets, and there's magnets all through this right here. That's how it sticks together. Pretty clever idea.